Hi guys, here is a story of how to make an F on the ukulele. In order to make an F on the ukulele, you always have to start with an A minor, which is the middle finger on G2, the string G, second box, okay? So you start with A minor to do an F. And then you're gonna put your pointy fingers on E1. So the second string starting from the bottom, 1, 2, E1, all right? So now we have a little story to remember that. So one day there was a middle finger who was like strumming on the G string, right? And then he stopped on the second box on G2. So he was in A minor and he was watching at the Space Needle. And it was so beautiful. And at the same time, an index was passing by. And he was looking at the Space Needle as well. It was so beautiful that he didn't see the hole and he fell, wow, through the first box and last second grabbed the second string and made it. All right? So this is a story we'd like you to remember so you can have a very nice F. Let's do it again. I was starting on my G strings and on G2, which is like A minor, I saw a beautiful Space Needle. My index was passing by and looked at the Space Needle and it was so beautiful that he didn't see the hole and fell two strings down. So I'm now on the second string starting from the bottom, right? And I'm on E1. So G2 and E1 makes a beautiful F chord, and that's your story to remember how to make F.